waiting for the sun.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're on day 5 or day 6, Alaska. Woke up the Airbnb, Verbo. We're looking really good here. We got the DJI Mavic Pro. We're gonna fly over this beautiful little crevice, see if we can get it all the way to the Kenai River. And beautiful morning. Got my cup of coffee here. Let's go ahead and fly it. It's been a while since I've flown this thing, but not very hard.
Waiting for the sun to go down, to go down, to go down, to go down.
Alrighty, we found the Kenai River. It is beyond that crest of a hill way out there. We're about 2,000 feet out or so. Again, this drone can go up to, without any interference, about 4 miles or so, but absolutely stunning. We're not going to take it too far because you lose a drone out here, you're definitely never gonna find it unless it updates GPS. Always pay attention to your battery. That symbol is on the top, and I have 76% left. With these drones, typically it goes home when it goes to a certain battery level percentage, but with a device of this caliper, you definitely don't want to lose it. This is the original Mavic Pro, if you are wondering. They have gotten definitely more high tech. I'm about 300 feet above, just so that no locals can shoot me down. Out here, people definitely would shoot down drones if you're too close to their property. That is for sure. Alaska, down by the coastline, a little drizzly today. Stopped at a gas station to go to the bathroom. I just looked over and I thought it was a fake bald eagle sitting on top of a piece of wood, but it was flapping and moving, and it's literally right here. Beautiful bald eagle, just hanging out. But we're gonna get a lot more footage of bald eagles. Again, Homer, Alaska, for a day trip. There it is, moving with its flappy wings. Beautiful. Yeah, we got the spit over there, the Homer spit. This is the lookout point here. Absolutely stunning landscape out there. Obviously, if it was a sunny day, you have all the beautiful area out that way there. There's Seldavana. Where are we? There's Homer. So what we're looking at is we're looking at all this over here on this side from Homer, and absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So coming down the Kenai Peninsula, this is, I think, a lodging with private hot tubs right here, and then almost looks like a camping RV park. But this cliff is just sheer going down into the ocean, fjord, whatever you want to call it down there. If it was a clear day, you could see all the way back the route we came down the Kenai to Homer. But this is probably the most spectacular right through here with the fireweed, some boats here, and if it was a beautifully sunny day with golden hour, oh, that would be absolutely phenomenal. Still beautiful nonetheless, but reminds me more of like Monterey, Seattle area, kind of a little bit cloudy, a little drizzly. Homer, Alaska, halibut fishing capital of the world, baby. All right, we're gonna head on into the Homer Spit helicopter. If you want the helicopter tours and seaplanes.
I need time, just a little more time. I need time.
All right, a couple areas that you definitely need to check out on the Spit is going to be the Salty Dog Saloon. Obviously not for a drink, I don't drink, but there are a bunch of dollar bills all over this place, which is really cool to check out. So let's go ahead and head on in and take a little gander at what's on the wall. Again, dollar bills everywhere.
I need time, just little more time. One more time. One more time.
You got Spit Licks Creamery, ice cream smoothies. And we got Coal Town Coffee and Tea, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
I need time.
Alrighty, little flat white with oat milk. Looking absolutely fantastic. Haven't tasted it quite yet, but we're gonna give it a little rip. Let's go around and see what we can find here. So again, a little foo-foo drink, but definitely delicious. Definitely do not get it all the time, but it is nice, especially if you're out. Having a little vacation mode here. Beautiful surrounding. We're gonna go beachcomb here in a little bit. Bunch of places, little fish and chips. Again, a bunch of little cool, little cutesy little areas here. Not to mention we got Leather Co. We got something Knife Shop, Brown Bear Products and Gallery. The coffee shop again is right behind us right here, and that was rated 4.9 on reviews. 3-hour free parking over here on the edge. You can do overnight for a fee, but there is a bunch of parking. It is Labor Day weekend Friday, so I think there's quite a few more people out here than normal. Weather has broken, which is nice for no rain. Looking absolutely fantastic. A lot of restrooms around here as well. Campsites on the Spit. Cool place to just chill. I'm gonna try to get the drone out during lunchtime, and I brought a picnic lunch, but there are again fish and chip places if you're into that. Actually, it's really good coffee. Coal, what was it? Coal and Coffee and Tea Company. It is highly rated, 4.9 like I mentioned, and that's a pretty good flat white. Pretty much tastes the same compared to Coal Town Coffee and Tea. Pretty much tastes the same as Birch and Adler flat white with oat milk. Both were done with oat milk, so kind of hard to mess up an espresso flat white with oat milk, but great nonetheless.
Just a little more time. I need time. Just a little more time. Next to
That right there is the Homer Spit. Absolutely gorgeous. Smells a little fishy down here, I'm not gonna lie to you on that one. Look at this, folks. This is okay. Do a little beach combing. Walk all the way up the Spit right here. Oh, look at the mountains in the background right here. Snow on them. And it's what, August 30th right now? Absolutely beautiful. That's why you come to Homer, folks. That's why you come to Homer. You don't come to Homer to shop around no ceramics and art projects workshops. You come to Homer to look at this. Water taxis and water tours, definitely look at those before you come, because a lot of them are sold out for the season, but they go all along there. A lot of boats out that direction. Again, little cute little shops. Over here, little food eatery places. There's the main land, I'm gonna call it, right over there. And you just cruise up and down the Spit right here.
next to you. I need time, just a little more time. I need time, just a little more time. Next to you.
Found myself a nice rock and a shell. Did a little drone flying. It ain't all that bad. Well, brought my little picnic lunch. Sat on this little log right here. And don't think you can beat that view anytime soon. Old Rusty, baby. Alrighty, Deep Creek State Recreational Area in Nillichik, Alaska is supposed to have a beach that just has bald eagles just hanging out. We've already seen two in the trees. Heading down to the water's edge here, kind of off the grid. My brother and his wife have given us a heads up about this place, so let's take a little gander. Well, they're not all over the place, but Mom has just spotted a huge one just relaxing right here on the beach. We're gonna get up a little closer and take a little gander at him. Yep, yeah, big guy right there. Let's see, let's zoom on in here. He is right there, as you can see. We have spotted one. Supposedly they're supposed to be all over the beach, but at least we saw one. Well, if you're passing through the area, definitely worth popping over and checking out, see if you can see some eagles or not, but definitely not worth your time to go an hour out of your way if there aren't eagles there. But since we were going back this direction, a little pit stop off the road for a couple minutes, doesn't hurt.
Next to you.
Well, we're already all ready for the fireworks show. Where is the fireworks show? Got our train of chairs, people doing some smoking out there, as in brisket. Looking absolutely fantastic. Let's fly this drone.